Hey, it's Muro. I'm trying a new voiceover because I'm still pretty awkward talking on camera. Also, this is better quality audio. And there are a couple of bits and pieces that I want to talk over what I'm doing here. The main one is how I use my brushes, what I do. I'm not a makeup artist, as you probably have noticed. I'm actually professionally a musician. I have a degree in applied music. So makeup is just something that I do for fun. It's something that I'm a painter in my spare time, so I kind of just took what I did on canvases and put it onto my face, and I've been loving it so far. But yes, I hold my brushes like kind of like when I do when I'm painting. It's when I fill things in, I don't fill them in like a makeup artist, and that's okay by me. And I just kind of wanted to say that, like, you don't have to use makeup the way that it's marketed to be used. You don't have to use makeup the way that someone else tells you you have to use it. I use eyeshadow all over my face. I use liquid lipsticks all over my face. Because really, if it can go on your skin and it doesn't irritate it, it doesn't do anything negative, why not do it? You know, it's not like I'm putting lead paint everywhere. And I feel that's something that I would love other people to do as well. And I know other people do. I'm not saying that I'm something special here, but I just love that makeup is so diverse and it can bring so much joy and experimentation and adventure to day-to-day life. I digress. Anyway, I'm just mapping out my face in this and filling in some of the places. Kind of seeing where I want to make it look like the metal is welded to metal, seeing where I want to make it look aged, seeing what details I want to do, because I like to map out my face first. For my base, I just used silver body paint, and for the details, I'm actually just using black gel eyeliner because it blends like a dream. Illamasqua's gel liner is absolutely fantastic. It blends a heck of a lot better than body paint would in this situation. For me, anyway. This look was inspired by Tool's music videos, as well as some old school robots like Maria from Metropolis. It wasn't initially meant to be a robot. The sort of squares that I got from Tool's music videos and the art in them was kind of what I was going for, but I decided last minute, hey, why not make it silver? So now it's silver. I've just been adding little details, little cracks, and bits that look like rust, things that look weathered, to make it seem like this robot has been out in the rain or something. I'm not too much of a fan of perfection, so I quite like things that look weathered and old. lips, I wanted a very angular look as well, so that's why I take them to a point at my bottom lip, of course. It can look really weird, but it can also look really good, especially if you like have my particular dent in my chin there. It's a little bit difficult to get looking good, but I think it adds to it. It works with the look, it works with what I'm doing to my eyes here. Because I was going to wear this look out, I wanted to have it looking a little bit glamorous, so there is eye makeup there that I think the shape goes well with it. Of course, like if anybody else chooses to do something similar, you can do whatever the hell you want, which is the wonderful thing about makeup. Makeup has no rules. Just put it on your face, it's fine. I added some red streaks with a brush of its red eyeshadow mixed with water. It's water-based body paint, so it goes on, and it stayed on, as I said it afterwards. It can be interpreted as blood, or it can be interpreted as blush. It was intended as blush, but I quite like the ambiguity of it. And at the end here, I just showed some photos that I edited the background to show what it actually really looked like in real life. So that's it for this Tulle-inspired look. Thank you for coming and hanging out with me, watching me scribble my face. Hopefully you'll come back and watch me scribble my face again. Thank you for your time. I hope you have a great day or night, depending on where you are. And I will see you soon.